Okay, number five. Number five guard, 5/8 of an inch or 16 millimeters all over. If you got see hair on me, it's because I just did a couple of videos before with different lengths, 8 and a 6. And again, all one even length, just go over whichever direction and you'll pretty much get it. So here's this patch of hair on me. Oh, who cares? Okay. Here we go. It might not be like a huge difference because again, I just did a number 6, so. You can see it cutting. Okay, so this is basically a number 5. This is a number 5. All over one even length. Yeah, I feel like the number 5 is pretty much the end of what a standard buzz cut should be or would be. Anything longer would long buzz cut. I don't know the technical name for that, but number 5 all over, and yeah, I can't wait to freaking shower up and clean up because this is itchy. But yeah, thank you guys for watching again. No lineups, no anything. So again, the number 5. I feel like I got a messed up hairline. But yeah, thank you guys for watching again. I'll see you next time.